How to save open tabs. To save your open tabs, you'll need our free extension. You can find the link in the video below. Now let's assume you have many open tabs. If you want to save them all, click the extension icon in the address bar of your browser. Click the Open Tabs button, select all, select the destination. You can choose any bookmarks widget or create a new one. Click Save Selected Tabs. Now refresh the page to see your tabs in the new Bookmarks widget. That cleans up nicely. If you want to continue your work, click Open all links in tabs and there they are again. You can also save tabs to your inbox. You'll find the inbox in the Me menu. View all bookmarks. Next, go to the left of your window. And from this inbox, you can select a new location for your bookmark. Or you can choose a different option like Delete Bookmark. To return to your page, click the Home icon at the center. And that's it. Thanks for watching.